There's a lot to love about the University of Nevada, Reno. As a molecular microbiology student, I get the hands-on experience of what the medical field is all about, thanks to our state-of-the-art laboratories. Day in and day out, I get the chance to interact with and learn from our amazing faculty and researchers here on campus, who ensure students are ready for the tough medical field ahead. When the pandemic struck, scientists here at the Nevada State Public Health Laboratory on campus led the nation in rapidly responding to the pandemic, as it was the first lab in the nation to discover a case of COVID-19 reinfection, something completely previously unknown to science. Learning from others' research and participating in my own throughout my 3 years here has prepared me for medical school beyond my wildest expectations. I tell people you almost have to try to fail here with all of the amazing resources that we have, such as tutoring, mentoring, first-generation services, and so many more that I can't even name. Plus, the money that I've saved here, coming here as an undergraduate, will one day help me pay for medical school in the future. It just doesn't make sense to go anywhere else.